Hey Mighty Mama, and welcome back. I have tons and tons of spring cleaning motivation for you guys. Today's video starts my very first spring cleaning series, and thank you so much. I appreciate all of you who are sticking with me, my true blues. You know you mean the world to me. And for those of you who are new, I appreciate you stopping by, checking me out. If you like what you see today, make sure you subscribe before you leave so you do not miss all my upcoming videos. Today's video is super exciting because it is in collaboration with my most sweetest, beautiful, kindest friend, Emmery Prince, from over here on YouTube as well as Instagram. We immediately clicked over here on Instagram, and I just absolutely adore her. She is a stay-at-home mama of her sweet baby boy, Noah, who I think is now 16 months. She's happily married. She just radiates positivity, and her smile is so contagious. She reminds me of my younger self when I just had my firstborn, Avery. Her whole life revolves around her baby boy, and she's doing all those fun, spunky, first-time mama things, and she is just so inspiring, and I promise you she will add light to your life every time you watch her. She just is so amazing, and I absolutely adore her, and I cannot wait till the day that her and I get to finally meet in person and our kids can meet each other too. So make sure you go check her out, leave her a comment, let her know I sent you over, and I promise you will not regret it. And as far as the pandemic goes, I hope you guys are all getting along well with it. I know myself, it has been such a struggle just trying to find a balance in this new normal with having kids home 24/7, and now my husband is working from home. So, you know, we just have to reset and replan our routines and just change things up for our new normal, and just, you know, give yourself some grace and forgiveness, mama, because you are doing a great job still. You are still almighty, and, you know, just like anything, we will get through this. So just stay positive through this pandemic, and if you need the motivation to get your spring cleaning started, make sure you keep watching, because I have tons to tackle inside this house, and I am still on that journey of taking back control of my life. And, you know, I have so many neglected spaces that I need to clean up. So if you want to get motivated, keep on watching, mama. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so the first thing I want to do is I want to take down these yucky curtains. These are the curtains in front of my pantry. These are temporary. I have something really special planned for that. But that goes along with our kitchen remodel, which will be coming. But I want to show you guys real mom life here. Yep, that's what you call Oreo fingerprints. And chocolate stains, yes, and who knows what else. Dog stains down there. But yeah, so these definitely need to come down and go in the wash, and I'm gonna spot clean that as well. So that's the first thing we're doing in the spring cleaning series, as well as taking down all these signs. I want to dust the signs. Some of these will stay up, like that one that's, you know, screwed in, and then obviously that cabinet's going to stay on, but I'm going to take all that down because I'm totally changing the look of my kitchen. I'm also going to be painting the walls. So I'm just kind of like, as I do the spring cleaning, I'm prepping the walls for the painting job I will be doing as well. So that medallion is coming off. That's something I'm actually going to use outside of my home as a decoration. I have a farmhouse window that I will be putting up there once I get the walls painted, but I need to clean the walls today, as well as all the picture frames up there and the tops of the cabinets and the tops of the refrigerator, declutter all that, as well as the face of the refrigerator and a good scrub down. I also want to clean that vent there underneath the fridge. Now you guys, these are all the neglected spaces. This is real mom life, so no judgment here. We're all just trying to do the best we can with all the other stuff, right? And then up there, I don't know if you guys will see, but there's dust all over there. That is all getting cleaned today. I also want to clean those light fixtures. And then I'm also going to be cleaning the face of all these cabinets here. I have all of these as well, and the dishwasher I'll wipe down. But this here, this bad boy is getting a good scrub down, and I want to reorganize and declutter and kind of like change things around. I have a lot of things out right now because I was doing dishes and cooking earlier. I want to get my stovetop cleaned up. This is pretty bad. This here though, I do want to show you guys. This is something that I can't get rid of. These are stains, and I'm going to try to attempt it for this spring cleaning video. I was told to use a razor blade, so I'm going to try that. So yeah, real mom life here, guys. Keeping it raw and real like I always say I will. So yeah, come on. If you guys are ready for that good cleaning motivation, let's do it.
The first thing I need to do is take down these curtains and spot clean them with the Oxy stain remover and get these bad boys into the washer so they can wash up nice while I tackle all the rest of the projects in the kitchen.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night. One more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday.
So now that the curtains are in the washer, I'm going to go ahead and make up this natural cleaner recipe that I found off Pinterest. It's just baking soda and vinegar. And then I'm going to spread it all over the oven, and I'm going to let it sit while I go ahead and clean everything else. And then I will come back and clean the oven in a little bit.
But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we will be better, I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, one more night. I want a bliss to fool everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we will be better, if I wait till the summer, I know we will be Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we will be better,
So now I'm just cleaning the curtain rod and the ring clips. These were super dusty and it's been so long since I've done it. Leave me a comment below. Let me know, how often do you guys clean your curtains? Do you take them down and put them in the wash, or just do like a, weekly maintenance with vacuuming the rods? Let me know how you do it. taking a peek at the oven, seeing that the natural cleaner is working itself. It's doing a pretty good job. And look at over here. Look at all the dust and grime that has collected on top of these picture frames. These were on top of my cabinets. This is how bad it is. And I'm about to show you guys right now. So this is the top of my cabinets, guys. Yeah. Look at all that dust. And then if you move down here, it's on top of the cabinets. So I'm going to be cleaning all this off. And then in here, guys, is into my microwave. So I'm going to be cleaning all that. So yeah, I already cleaned all the walls up here. Got rid of all the cobwebs and all that. And then, of course, I have to clean the top of the fridge.
All you gotta do